All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and everyone joining us in different parts of the world. My name is Rico Quilao from Opulence Global, and I will be sharing with you an opportunity that can help you improve your health, improve your life, and that is our vision and mission here in this company. And of course, welcome to all of our partners joining us in different parts of the world. Welcome to our valued guest for today. And today, we're going to share with you an opportunity that can help you improve your life. Because after all, ito hong ating vision is a world where aging and illness are no longer accepted as normal, but rather preventable. So yan ho yung ating isang layunin dito sa ating pag-uusapan ho ngayon. Paano ba natin maiiwasan yung iba't ibang mga sakit na yan? Because alam ko naman ho dito, lahat tayo gusto nating maging malusog. 'Di ba? Wala namang ayaw na sakitin siya, 'di ba? So yan ho yung ating pag-uusapan because all of these things kaya ho nating maiwasan. May kasabihan nga ho tayo, prevention is always better than cure. And with the information that we're going to share with you today, yan ho yung ating layunin. Mapalakas ho ang ating katawan, ang ating kalusugan, nang sa ganon maiwasan ho natin yung iba't ibang mga karamdaman at sakit na nagpapahirap sa ating kalusugan. But more than that, we also strive to make opulent living accessible to all, not just the elite, no? Offering opportunities for generational wealth and personal empowerment. So pag sinabi ho nating opulent living, this means living in abundance. Yan ho yung gusto nating maibahagi ho sa inyo. Paano ba ho tayo mas mamumuhay ng mas masagana? That's what opulence stands for. Opulence simply means the best of the best. It also means abundance in wealth. Hindi lang daw ho pala yan sa mga elite, yung mga pinanganak ng mayaman. This is actually an equal opportunity for everyone. For you to achieve yung tinatawag ho nating generational wealth. Something that you can do today and eventually pass it on to your children, to your grandchildren, to the next generation. And we also help people empower you. Okay? So yun ho yung ating tatalakayin ho ngayon. And if you have the will, Opulence has the way to transform your life and create a lasting impact. But first and foremost, pakilala ko ho muna, sino ho ba kami? No, who is Opulence Global? And Opulence Global is a proudly Canadian international company which was established in 2005. So basically, we are already celebrating our 20th year anniversary. So meron na ho tayong proven track record of building businesses in more than 200 countries and territories. And on top of that, we have that accreditation sa Better Business Bureau which confirms na ang company ho legitimate, no? Hindi ho basta-basta. It's also trustworthy. Yan ho yung isang ahensya na nagsusuri ng mga business ethics, business practices ng iba't ibang negosyo at kumpanya dyan sa North America. At nakakuha ho tayo ng pinakamataas na A+ rating. So ibig sabihin, talagang katiwa-tiwala, talagang lehitimo itong ating company and the opportunity that we offer here in Opulence Global. And that is also the reason why we are named among the top 100 solid company since 2010, no, by the businessforhome.org. And one of the reasons why this has grown into a multi-million dollar opportunity is mainly because of the leadership ng ating founder and CEO si Mr. Ramin Mesgarlu. At pag tiningnan ho natin yung kanyang credentials, meron ho siyang malawak na karanasan sa pagpapalaganap at pagpapalago ng mga iba't ibang klaseng negosyo. Imagine niyo ha, self-made millionaire at the age of 25. He has created and helped a lot of people become millionaires and he was able to build five multi-million dollar businesses. So ibig sabihin talagang itong ating CEO meron ng subok at malawak na karanasan pagdating ho sa larangan ng pagnenegosyo. He was also featured in American Business Journal, recognized as the top 2 compensation plan expert, and an inductee ho siya sa Network Marketing Hall of Fame. Author ho siya ng Forensic Networker, which is the direct sales most advanced training system. And also, he has the mindset of a winner, a mindset of a champion. Kaya ho siya ay merong 112 medals as a Canadian wrestling champion. And that talks about the leadership that we have in this company. Now, ito hong ating industriyang ginagalawan, nabibilang ho yan sa multi-trillion dollar industry. So basically, Opulence Global started out with fashion. Isa ho yan sa ating mga produkto, no? Which is a trillion-dollar industry. Another one is the personal care and wellness, which is another over $5 trillion industry. And of course, the business opportunity that we are operating in is worth $9.2 trillion industry. So if you want to take part dito sa massive industries na to, imagine an opportunity wherein all you have these massive industries combined $15.9 trillion industry if you want to get a share in this massive industries. That's what we're going to share with you today. Now, just a little bit of a background, no? Itong ating company started out with our fashion heritage. Actually, ang ating home showroom, no, yung Ferry Designer House is the largest Canadian private fashion house. And eventually this year, no, we're very very much excited to move into our new home. Yan kung nakikita nyo sa aking background. Yan ang ating bagong tahanan, which is of course very luxurious. Sabi nga, wala ho kayong makikitang ganyan, no, all over the world. So ganyan ho kaganda, ganyan ho ka-exclusive itong ating opisina, no, at ang ating showroom. Exclusively designed from our Toronto and European design centers. Ito hong ating mga fashion items are worn by over 350 celebrity clients. At yun hong ginawa nating Ferry on the Runway was the biggest fashion show in Canada by a single designer. And basically, ito hong ating mga fashion items have numerous global media accolades. Na-feature na rin ho tayo sa mga prestigious shows such as the Fox 5, The View International Emmy Awards, sa Toronto International Film Festival, and the Golden Globe Awards. At makikita nyo ho dyan yung ating napaka-elegant itong tinatawag ho nating Ferry Moss ring. Sabi nga ng Canadian Jeweler Magazine, it's an imaginable ultra luxury jewelry. Okay? So that's one of the products that we have here on top of the many many items that can be found in our fashion items. Now, on top of that, no, naidagdag na rin ho natin yung ating mga daily essentials. We are also an advocate of what we call the safe home revolution. And what this means, ito hong safe home revolution, ligtas na tatahanan, it means we want to protect you and your family by removing all the harmful ingredients from the product we use every day. So we also have lines ranging from skincare, personal care, oral care, and health and wellness. Kasi napakahalaga ho ng kalusugan. Aanhin mo nga naman yung kayamanan, di ba? Kung hindi mo naman may enjoy yung iyong magandang kalusugan. So kaya ho isa yan sa mga advocacy ho namin, helping you understand why it is important to have good health. Okay? Now, ito hong ating mga produkto, hindi ho basta-basta yan because we have, of course, very unique ingredients such as the microsilver at ito hong ating Norwegian Spruce Tree Extra. So these are all contained sa ating hong mga produkto from beauty, yung microsilver protection, personal care, and even sa health and wellness. And mind you, ito hong ating mga produkto are manufactured in GMP or Good Manufacturing Practice certified facilities. Made in Canada ho ang ating mga produkto, vegan, na tested on animals, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and most of our products are tested by dermatologists. It cleanses microbes, it protects against the damaging effects of free radicals. But first, let me share with you, ito hong ating flagship product known as the Fountain of Life. Now, this product has changed, has helped a lot of people all around the world. We have over 1 million bottles sold when it comes to this product. Now, what this product is all about is a high-performance antioxidant that protects you and preserves your well-being. So ito ho yung isa sa mga dahilan bakit ho ako napabilang dito sa Opulence Global because as I see this product, nakita ko ho yung kanyang potency, nakita ko ho yung kanyang effect, nakita ko ho yung every time I share this product to other people, nagpapasalamat ho sila. Nakikita ko ho yung relief that they experience no from the problems when it comes to their health. So this product is actually what we call an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial. So tatlong bagay ho yung ginagawa niyan. So ito ho yung nagpoprotekta sa ating mga cells. Ito ho yung nagpapalakas, nagno-nourish sa ating mga cells. Because as you know, if you have a strong cell, it produces a strong organs, no, body organs. And if you have strong body organs, it produces a strong, healthy body system. At ang maganda ho dyan, kapag ang ating katawan malakas ho yan, may kakayanan ho yan labanan halos lahat ng mga sakit. Ang malakas na katawan at magandang kalusugan, may kakayanan ho yan pagalingin yung sarili niya. And that is what this product does, no? So it protects heart health, it lowers chronic inflammation, it defends against dementia, it protects prostate health, it reduces breast cancer risk, it decreases colon cancer risk, it improves hair health. Okay, kaya itong aking buhok dati-dati ano na. Dati-dati more than 1 month ho ako bago magpagupit. Ngayon, umaabot na ho ng 3 weeks, no? Dahil napakabilis na tumubo ng buhok. Improve sugar metabolism and control diabetes complications. It protects your DNA. Nako, yun hong ating composition, ano? Pinoprotection ano niya. It improves metabolism, lower body weight, and it reduces hot flushes among the many other benefits. Now, just a little bit of a background when it comes to this product, ano ho ba ang ingredient nito? It actually comes from the extract of the Norwegian spruce tree. Ito hong Norwegian spruce tree para siyang Christmas tree, para siyang pine tree. Okay, so para napakataas ho niyan, almost 100 feet tall, and it can live hundreds or even thousands of years. And do you know that this tree can last up to 9,550 years old? Dito ko ho nakita kung gaano katibay itong puno na ito. Imagine niyo tumatagal ng halos 10,000 taon. Why? Because this tree is considered to be a self-healing, disease-free tree. It can withstand oxidative stress, yan ho yung sumisira sa ating mga cells. It can deal with invasive threats from microbes and insects. And evolution over time has provided these trees with very efficient chemical defense and preservation mechanisms na nanggagaling ho sa lignans. At yan ho yung kumbaga na-curious ho ako dyan kasi I've been in the health industry for more than 20 years and this is the first time that I've heard about lignans. Ito palang lignans na to, napaka-powerful pala niyan. It's a type of plant antioxidant na nanggagaling sa mga punong kahoy and experts are saying that the most potent and strongest lignans in the world or plant antioxidant in the world have been discovered sa Norwegian spruce tree. So in essence, ito daw ho yung may pinakamalakas at pinakamabisang uri ng antioxidant, yung lignans na yan. So again, three things ang ginagawa niyan sa ating katawan. It acts as antioxidants. Nilalabanan niya ho yung mga free radicals na sumisira sa ating mga cells. Nilalabanan niya ho yung mga microbes, germs, bacteria, and even viruses because of the antimicrobial properties. And on top of that, yung anti-inflammatory na nakakatulong ho yan para maiwasan ho natin yung mga nakamamatay na sakit tulad ng heart disease, cancer, stroke, diabetes, cancer, and many more. Okay? Because ang punot dulo ho ng iba't ibang klaseng mga nakamamatay na sakit na yan is yung tinatawag ho nating chronic inflammation. And by the term itself, anti-inflammatory. Yan ho yung lumalaban sa chronic inflammation. Kaya ho itong ating produkto, nakakatulong ho talaga yan para maiwasan ho natin yung mga malalala at nakamamatay na mga sakit na yan. Okay? So lignans offer several potential health benefits, including yung ating heart health because lignans may help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels, improving blood pressure, and reducing inflammation in the body. At yan ho yung tumatak sa isip ko. That's the reason why I continue to use our Fountain of Life each and every single day, mainly because sabi ho kasi dun sa isang study that I read that if you are regularly consuming lignans every day, kapag araw-araw daw ho tayo nagko-consume ng lignans, it can reduce the risk of heart disease by as much as 65%. Yan hong sakit sa puso, yan ho yung isa sa mga bagay na hindi natin alam kung kailan tatama. Kaya nga tawag natin dyan, tridor na sakit. Di ba? So ito ho yung pamamaraan para pangalagaan ho natin ang ating puso. Ayan, nako iwas-iwas ho tayo sa mga bagay na nakakasira sa ating puso kasi napakahirap po niyan. Bata man, matanda, nako, tinatamaan na ho ng sakit na yan. And then on top of that, cancer prevention, some studies suggest that lignans may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, particularly yung mga hormone-related cancers like breast and prostate. On top of that, antioxidant activity. So napakahalaga ho niyan in maintaining good health, yung pagkakaroon ho ng antioxidant sa ating katawan. Because these antioxidants or lignans helps neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can reduce oxidative stress and lowers the risk of chronic diseases. Just like, sabi ko nga ho sa inyo, itong ating 10 drops, itong ating Fountain of Life, what we do there is we put it underneath our tongue, we call it sublingual. Ang maganda ho dyan, in less than an hour, it goes to your bloodstream. So easily absorbed and the high levels of antioxidant, imagine niyo yung 10 drops. When we measure the lignans concentration on those 10 drops at ikumpara ho natin sa mga fruits, plants na meron ho mga antioxidants such as let's say sa green tea, okay? Alam niyo ho ba yung 10 patak para matumbasan niyo ho yung lignans concentration dun sa Fountain of Life, kailangan niyo hong uminom ng 50 cups of green tea. And who can do that? Sino bang may kayang gumawa niyan? Di ba? Ang hirap po niyan. Considering pa yung, of course, magkano yung isang tasa ng green tea? 50 tasa pa kaya. Di ba? On top of that, when we compare it sa mga mansana, sa apples, imagine niyo those 10 drops is equivalent sa makukuha yung lignans from eating 1,800 cups of apples. So dito ko ho nakita yung value nitong ating Fountain of Life. First and foremost, napakasimpleng gamitin. Wala pang 2 segundo, pwede mong ipatak sa ilalim ng dila mo. and the same amount of nutrients or lignans that you can get from eating 1,800 cups of apple. Ang dami niyan, di ba? So, pinasimple niya ho, no, yung paglalagay ng lignan sa ating katawan, and of course yung economy. Ibig sabihin, imagine niyo 1,800 cups of apples sa 20 pesos na lang ang isang tasa ng mansanas. Eh di magkano na yon? 36,000. And we're not even comparing it to the whole bottle. We're just comparing it to the 10 drops, no, of those fountain of life. Ganun ho ka-potent, ganun ho kayaman, ganun ho kataas yung level of antioxidants that you can get from those 10 drops. Now, on top of that, it also helps sa hormonal balances. Of course, lignans can have a mild phytoestrogenic effect, meaning they may help balance yung hormone levels, particularly in women during menopause by mimicking or modulating yung estrogen activity. Number five, digestive health. Ayan. So, ako, maganda rin ho yung aking testimonial dyan kasi every day, alam niyo ho ba ang average ko na labas ng sama ng loob? Ang average ko ho is 2 to 3 times a day. Okay, so ako natutuwa ho ako doon. It's enjoyable for me. Dati ho, constipated ako. Pasintabi ho dyan sa mga nagdi-dinner na dyan. Pero gusto ko lang hong i-share sa inyo na kaya ho magaan yung pakiramdam, hindi ka madalas magkasakit, malakas yung pangangatawan mo, mataas yung level of energy mo kasi everyday nadidetox ka eh. 'Di ba yung mga hindi maganda sa katawan mo na ilalabas mo. Okay, kaya magaan ang pakiramdam mo, 'di ba? And then of course, it helps of course regulate yung ating blood sugar. There is some evidence that lignans may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. And I can go on and on and on. Sa dami ho ng health benefits itong mga lignans na to, it has truly helped not just me, but a lot of people around the world when it comes to, of course, the lignans that we need for our bodies. Okay? Now, on top of that, meron pa ho tayong bagong nilaunch na product. Ito ho yung tinatawag naming Divine, which is a supplement that supports your immune system. It fights against damage caused by free radicals and it promotes healthy skin. So ito ho yung maganda dito kasi meron ho siyang 6 powerful active ingredients na ito mabibili mo individually sa mga health shops. Pero ito ho pinagsama-sama na sa isang powerful product known as Divine. Kasi imagine ha, it contains 6 powerful active ingredients such as the maritime pine bark extract, yung glutathione which is another master antioxidant, yun hong grapeseed extract, naku, napakarami hong health benefits niyan, zinc, vitamin C, and vitamin D. So all in one product. So every time you use this, talagang nakakatulong ho siya na maproteksyonan yung ating kalusugan. So it helps maintain and regulate yung ating immune system because scientists are saying that when your immune system is functioning properly, it can combat or cure almost any disease. Yun pala yung sikreto, palakasin natin yung ating immune system. And then it also supports liver and cell detoxification. It promotes gut health. It supports respiratory function. It aids in vision maintenance, promotes diabetic health, improves absorption of other antioxidants, supports collagen formation, improves erectile dysfunction, lalong-lalo na sa mga kalalakihan. Dahil ang reason ho dyan is because ini-improve din ho niya yung ating blood circulation. Yun ang maganda dyan sa ating Divine. Ano? It also boosts brain function and memory. It improves the skin and it also benefits heart health. So yung combination ho ng Fountain of Life at saka ng Divine ay talagang napaka-precious ho niyan. Napakahalaga ho niyan sa ating kalusugan. So marami pa actually tayong mga ibang mga products, no? And of course, we have a separate discussion when it comes to all of these products. But if you want to learn more about our testimonials, sino-sino ba yung mga tao na nag-benefit from using our Divine, ng ating Fountain of Life, naku, napakarami na ho yan. And in order for you to see yung mga stories na yan, you can go to our Facebook page, which is known to be the Fountain of Life and Divine Dash Official. You can actually scan this QR code. At dyan nyo makikita yung millions of people or even hundreds of thousands of people who have already benefited from using this product. At yun ho yung nakakatuwa no? Hindi lang ho para sa atin. Every time na meron ho tayong magandang blessing na natatanggap, binabahagi ho natin sa iba. For all we know, marami ho ang nagsasuffer. Yun nga yung sinabi ko sa isang call, every household, definitely, meron hong isa dyan na nagkakaroon ng mga health challenges, health problems. And the good thing about what we are sharing is that we basically have a solution to help them when it comes to the health concerns ng mga tao. So, yan ho yung aming passion, yun ho yung aming mission. So of course, yung naranasan ho natin, ibinabahagi ho natin sa iba. Kasi sabi nga ho sa isang Chinese proverb, if you receive a gift of great value, it is your obligation. Kapag ikaw daw nakatanggap ka ng isang magandang pagpapala, isang magandang regalo, it is your obligation, not a privilege, not a choice, but an obligation to share that gift many times over. And this is exactly the reason why we are doing this call, because we'll never know kung sino ho yung kakilala nyo that are suffering from certain health challenges, health concerns, and this is exactly the reason why we are sharing these things to you. Okay? So for those of you who are new here, if you haven't tried these products yet, I would encourage you, go back to the person who invited you here and tell them, let me try your products. Gusto kong pangalagaan ang ating kalusugan because after all, health is wealth. After all, kapag wala ho yung ating magandang kalusugan, eh hindi rin ho natin magagawa yung ating mga gustong gawin sa ating buhay. Tama po ba? Okay? So very, very important. Health should be one of our top priorities because dyan ho tayo kumukuha ng lakas. Dyan ho tayo, yan ho yung ating asset eh. Di ba? Tsaka sabi ko nga, kung miski gaano kadami man ang pera mo, kung wala kang magandang kalusugan, it doesn't make sense. So we should give health our utmost priority. And what we have here are very powerful antioxidants, of course, solutions when it comes to our health. Okay? So moving forward, for those of you probably you are already asking, saan ko ba mabibili yan? Pwede ba akong bumili sa pharmacy niyan? Well, to tell you, dun sa mga bago ho dito, eh, hindi ho available yan sa mga retail outlets. Hindi ho available yan sa mga pharmacies. Hindi ho available yan sa mga groceries. It's only exclusively distributed by our Opulence Global Partners through our e-commerce platform. And that's even better, no? Kasi regardless of wherever you are in the world today, all you have to do is to go to our online shop, order these products, and we can have it personally delivered door to door, right through your doorstep. Yan ho yung kagandahan yan. So yung convenience of ordering these products is now at the tip of your finger. Now, eventually, no, we would encourage you to use and try the product. See it for yourself para makita nyo kung totoo ba yung mga pinagsasasabi namin dito. And so far, no, so far, the reason why we are very happy is because nakita ho namin yung mga resulta ho sa mga taong na-sharean ho namin. Now, even better, no, ito ho yung isi-share namin sa inyo. Hindi lang kayo pwedeng maging customer, but you can also become a part of this mission ng Opulence Global of distributing and sharing these products to many people in different parts of the world through our e-commerce platform. Yan ho yung maganda dito. Because ang ino-offer din ho ni Opulence Global is not just for you to enjoy good health, but as well as how you can improve your life by starting your own business. Pwede nyo na hong simulan yan ngayon, no? So for those of you who are looking for opportunities to increase your wealth, looking for opportunities to improve your life, ito ho yung susunod nating pag-uusapan ngayon. Because Opulence Global offers a global turnkey dropship business with high-quality products and an opportunity to earn lifelong residual income at a minimal startup cost. So again, no, first thing that you need to do is to use the product. Because ito hong ating ginagamit na product, eh hindi ho natin mai-share yan kung hindi nyo alam kung ano yung benepisyo niyan sa inyo. 'Di ba? And that's what we only do. We only keep on sharing the benefits of using the products. And imagine Opulence Global's 3 revolutionary marketing models. What if you can get paid to shop, get paid to consume, and get paid to recommend? Every time you share these products, may it be fashion, may it be health, may it be itong ating mga personal care, okay? Every time you share these products, you can get paid, no, to recommend. Yan ho yung maganda diyan. Now, eto hong ating platform, no, sabi mo Rico kasi wala naman akong experience sa pagsisimula ng negosyo and I would understand that. Kasi marami hong mga tao kaya hindi sila nagsisimula ng mga negosyo is because unang-una natatakot sila eh. Dahil naririnig nila 9 out of 10 businesses fail within their first 2 to 5 years. Eh sino ba naman ang ganahan magsimula ng sarili nilang negosyo? And the reason for that is because they don't know how to start the business. They don't know how to operate and grow their business. Now, that's the beauty here. Kasi ho dito, meron na ho tayong proven system in place. Ang maganda ho dyan, when we affiliate, when we partner with Opulence Global, the company already provides you with all the things that you need for your business to start. Naandyan na ho yung inventory, naandyan na ho yung payments, naandyan na ho yung shipping, guarantees and returns, website maintenance, training and support, yung mga events that will help you promote and market your products, conferences and conventions, recognition and travel. So all of this, ginagawa na ho ng company. Nakaset up na ho yung infrastructure. Meron na kayong sarili nyong online shop. Eh, ang hirap nga naman kung ikaw lahat magsisimula niyan, ano? So that's the beauty about our partnership with Opulence Global. Meron na hong proven system in place that all you have to do as a partner is to use the products. Yan yung tinatawag namin cost transition. Shop your own e-mall, use the products, and then eventually share the products to all the people that you know. Okay? And that's our role as a partner with Opulence Global. Nandiyan na yung setup ng business mo. All you have to do is to distribute, market, share the product. Okay? So, ang maganda ho dyan is once you get started with this business, meron na ho kayong sarili nyong online shop. Yan yung tinatawag naming e-mall. Ayan, yan yung e-mall na tinatawag, no? Yung outlet mo is, kumbaga, wala kang pwestong binabayaran, wala kang taong sinusweldohan, online, di ba? So yung e-commerce platform natin, actually nagtanong nga ako before sabi ko magkano ba mag-setup ng isang website sa isang online shop? Eh wala na hong bumababa ng 100,000 pesos, no? Dahil ganyan na ho kamahal mag-setup ng isang e-mall platform. Eh dito sa Opulence Global, you can have this for free once you become a partner with Opulence Global. And with that e-mall, magkakaroon ka na ng sarili mong online shop, magkakaroon ka na ng sarili mong website. You can now distribute your products in more than 200 countries and territories. Imagine that kind of business na sinimulan mo sa local market mo, sa bahay mo, and yet open na siya. Pwede ka na magpa-deliver, mag-distribute in more than 200 countries and territories. So meron ng order processing management, nakikita mo ngayon yung performance ng negosyo mo through your back office, naandyan na lahat ng mga brochures, materials, flyers, graphics na kailangan mo in promoting your business and your products. Naandyan din yung partner relation support, business training and support. And ang maganda ho dyan, kumbaga, ready-made na, nakaset up na, kaya tinatawag nating turnkey, di ba? So, ang maganda ho dyan, with this e-mall, pag nilaunch nyo ho yan, of course, all of the products are already preloaded in your e-mall. So, yung mga, ikaw mismo, pwede ka mag-shopping doon. And as a partner with Opulence Global, you can actually earn discounts. So, pag may discount ka, you can save money. And on top of that, with the discounts that you have, once you start sharing and selling the product, you can of course, earn money, 'di ba? Magkakaroon ka ng mga profits. Kasi nga nakukuha mo ng mas murang halaga when you share it, sell it with other people, you can eventually earn profits. At ang maganda diyan, ha, again, distribution natin hindi lang diyan sa barangay mo, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas. Naranasan no namin dito during the time of pandemic. May mga nanonood from Kenya, may mga nanonood from UK, may mga nanonood from Australia, may nanonood from Canada, from US. Once they like the product, we can have it delivered directly kung saan man silang parte ng mundo. And that's the beauty about this opportunity. You can share the global opportunity at ang maganda ho dyan, you can build a lifelong residual income. Okay? So, yan ho yung further pag-uusapan pa ho natin. So, let me just share with you what happens no whenever we share these products, this opportunity to other people, there are actually multiple ways for you to earn. Yan ho yung maganda dyan. Kasi as a partner with Opulence Global, you can basically enjoy 20 to 37% discount. So ibig sabihin, mas mura mo nang nakukuha yung product, direct ka na sa manufacturer. And every time you share the product, imagine niyo ha, dun sa email nyo, may nagsha-shopping dun sa email nyo, dun sa outlet ninyo. Let's say in a day, meron hong bumili ng worth 100,000 pesos. With your 37% discount, pwede kang kumita ng 37,000 pesos. Imaginein mo ha, nag-shopping lang yung mga customers mo dun sa email mo. Yan ho yung tinatawag nating retail profit. Now, on top of that, ang nangyayari ho dyan, yung mga gumamit let's say ng product na gustuhan nila, nagre-reorder na sila, sasabihin nila sa iyo, pwede ba kaming maka-discount? Pwede ba kaming makakuha uh, ng, uh, ng discount sa iyo, di ba? So, ang ginagawa ho namin diyan, sinishare namin yun yung mga wholesale packages. So, para sila din, ma-enjoy din nila yung discount na na-enjoy namin. Okay? So, pagka sila, kumuha din sila ng wholesale packages, meron kang tinatawag doon na wholesale profit. And you can earn up to 350 Canadian dollars when it comes to the wholesale profits. Imagine niyo ha, napakataas mo ng percentage of commission when it comes to our wholesale packages. And if let's say you are able to launch 4 packages in a month, okay? So magkano yon? $350 times 4, that's $1,400. Eh sa peso more or less nasa mga 56,000. So iba pa yung kinikita mo sa retail, iba pa yung kinikita mo sa wholesale. Pero ito ho yung maganda dyan. Ito ho yung paborito ng marami nating mga partners worldwide. Ito ho yung tinatawag nating lifelong residual income. Kasi dito sa lifelong residual income, you can earn up to 8.5% on your entire organization through Infinity. So ibig sabihin dyan, yung mga partners ng partners ng partners ng partners mo, lahat yan may mga imol at lahat na magiging sales ng mga partners ng partners ng partners ng partners mo, miski hindi mo na partner yun, miski hindi mo nakakilala yon, nagkakaroon ka doon ng tinatawag na team commissions or team bonuses. And with that 8.5% on your entire organization through Infinity, you can earn up to $60,000 per week. Imagine niyo yon, the income potential that you can generate out of building this business. Now, paano nangyayari yon? Because we employ what we call the power of leveraging. Ibig sabihin ho niyan, dadating yung panahon, meron kang partner sa US, meron kang partner sa Canada, meron kang partner sa Australia. Mga partner mo yon na yung mga emails nila, nakalink sa email mo, lahat ng mga magiging sales nila, miski tulog ka, it goes to you as what we call commissionable volume. So it comes from mga email launches, yung mga product purchases, whether new purchase yan or repeat purchase, yung mga smart buy orders, napakagandang programa ho niyan na every month bumibili ho yung mga customers and mga partners ho ninyo. So yan ho yung nangyayari dyan. Even while you are sleeping, even while you are not working your business, yung mga partners ho na yan, as long as they do the sales, nagmamarket ho sila ng mga products, it becomes a part of your what we call team commissions. Okay, so we have a separate training for this para maintindihan nyo yung mga bagay na yan. But we just want to share with you the opportunity or the potential of what this business can give you. Okay? Now, we also have a program, what we call the Smart Buy System. Ito ho yung every month, syempre, kailangan mo ng pang-health mo. Every month, kailangan mo ng pang-shopping mo, di ba? So, you can actually, of course, order your bundles, kung ano man yung product na gusto mo, every month ho yan. And then, or you can basically purchase what we call shopping credits. Yung shopping credits, pwede nyo munang ipunin bago kayo bumili. Kahit anong product, pwede nyo gamitin yung shopping credits na yan. And let's say for 3 consecutive months, naka-smart buy kayo, makatanggap pa kayo ng additional 10% discount. Kumbaga parang loyalty program ho siya. At kapag yung mga partners ninyo, ganun din ang ginawa, naka-smart buy sila, gumagamit sila ng product each and every single month, then that's the time that you are able to build yung tinatawag nating residual income. Okay? So, other ways of making money, actually we have basically 14, no? 14 ways of making money here. Nandiyan pa ho yung tinatawag nating profit sharing. We call it the monthly global revenue sharing, variance bonus up to $50,000 per month, commission boost up to $5,000 per week. So ito ho yung maganda dito sa business natin. Kasi ang nangyayari ho dyan, iisa lang yung business mo, pero yung streams of income, ayan, marami. Okay, so marami kang pwedeng pagkuhanan. Kung saan mo gusto mag-focus, kung saan mo gusto mag-concentrate, let's say gusto mo lang retailing, pwede naman. Gusto mo lang retailing and wholesaling, pwede naman. Kung gusto naman team commissions, ay may paraan din dyan. 'Di ba? So, mamili ka kung ilan yung gusto mong ma-enjoy dyan. Tapos, meron pa tayong mga Opulent Club. Etong Opulent Club ho natin is, of course, meron pa ho tayong mga perks and privileges that are available to all of our partners worldwide. Ito ho yung car club and, of course, vacation club. Even the company can pay for your own car on top of those bonuses and commissions. So how about that? No, may program ho tayo para magkaroon kayo ng sarili nyong sasakyan. Program para makapag-enjoy ho kayo ng free vacation. Sino ho ba dito gusto ng libreng bakasyon? Aba, sino ba naman ang aayaw dyan, di ba? Mga luxury griefs, cruise vacation, naranasan na ho namin yan, ano, dito sa Asia. Nagkaroon ho tayo ng Asia Cruise. Ayan. Ang sarap pala ng pakiramdam nun, pag nasa Asia Cruise ka. So, yun ho yung magaganda dito dahil nare-rewardan ho kayo. The company, of course, recognizes your effort in building your business. So, on top of the bonuses and commissions, the company even rewards you with these kinds of things. Sa cruise ho kasi talagang i-enjoy mo, pahinga, pero hindi ho natin maiwasan eh. Ang daming tao sa cruise eh. Doon sa cruise eh, nagtatanong sila, ano ba yung company nyo? Ano ba yung product nyo? So, you can do this business anywhere, no? Everywhere. You know yung maganda dyan. Of course, Leadership Summit, exotic vacation, first class travel, private jet travel, and prestigious ferry mosh. Okay? So now, the question is, how do I get started? Yun ang tanong. Paano ko ba sisimulan yung negosyo na yan? Excited na ako para mabago yung takbo ng pamumuhay ko. Ito yung maganda dyan. Meron na po tayong mga ready-made packages that you can get started with. Ito yung unang-una, yung brand partner package so natin. Imagine niyo yung global business with all of this infrastructure, yung ating e-commerce platform. Actually, it's a $3 million software na nagkakaroon ho tayo ng access dyan. For as low as 13,675 pesos, you can now start itong ating e-mall business. Open to more than 200 countries and territories. So dito, pwede ka na magkaroon ng at least no, yung paunang produkto mo, 'di ba? So meron kang shopping credits na matatanggap diyan at yung shopping credits mo, pwedeng ikaw yung mamili kung ano yung product na gusto mong simulan. Whether it be health, whether it be fashion, whether it be personal care, ikaw bahala. Ikaw mag-shopping sa sarili mong e-mall mo. Okay? Now, example lang nito, pwede ka makakuha dito ng 2 bottles of FOL at saka, of course, yung Micro Silver toothpaste. That is just a sample combination. Ang maganda dyan, pag reorder mo, meron ka ng 20% discount. Aba, malaking menos na ho yun. Kaya lang, the only downside nitong package na to is hindi mo pa ma-enjoy yung diniscuss ko na 13 to 14 ways of making money. As a retailer, ito lang muna po, makakuha ka ng discount, tapos retail ka lang ng products. So may mga business benefits din siya, kaya lang hindi pa ganun ka buo, no? Katulad ng ibang mga packages na susunod. Okay? But ang maganda diyan, imaginein mo for as low as this amount, meron ka ng global online e-commerce platform that you can get started with. Okay? Now, if you want to do this business na mas malaki yung profits, mas malaki yung returns, ito yung sunod nating package. We call this the Lifestyle Advisor Package. Now, of course, nagkakaroon ka na rin ng sarili mong online shop, sarili mong website. Mas malaki ngayon yung shopping credits mo, $1,300. Now, with these shopping credits, you can choose any product of your choice. Okay, so pwedeng mamili ka, toothpaste, shampoo, yung mga beauty products, ikaw bahalang mamili doon sa shopping credits na matatanggap mo dyan. Pero for purpose of computation, let's say, ang kinuha mo muna is puro FOL. So makakakuha ka dyan ng 16 bottles of FOL na nagkakahalaga ng 72,000 pesos. Yan yung retail value niya. Pero ito yung maganda dyan eh. Hindi yan yung kailangan mong ilabas na investment, no? Dito, for as low as 61,185. Imaginein mo ha, 61,000 lang ang halaga ng makukuha mo, 72,000. Hindi pa natin kinompute yung e-mall mo, hindi pa natin kinompute yung mga welcome kit mo, yung mga tools, yung mga brochures, flyers. So tapos, ang maganda pa dyan, dito sa negosyo na to, hawak mo kaagad yung produkto mo. 'Di ba? So hawak mo kaagad yung produkto mo. Hindi ka natatakot na ano kaya nangyari dun sa investment ko. Ang maganda pa nga dito, wala kang talo, wala kang lugi sa negosyo. Kasi bakit? Etong produkto mo, mas higit pa dun sa ininvest mo. So ibig sabihin, ibenta mo lahat ng produkto mo, balik puhunan mo, may tubo ka pa. How amazing is that, right? And even if hindi mo nga siya ibenta, gamitin mo lang sa loob ng 1 taon. 'Di ba? Panalo ka. Discounted na yung kuha mo, malusog ka pa. So walang talo ho dito sa negosyo, no? Yun ho yung maganda diyan. Now, kung gusto niyo ng mas maraming perks and privileges, kumbaga sa sasakyan, kung gusto mo ng accessorized or yung pinaka top of the line, ito ho yung tinatawag nating Lifestyle Advisor Plus. Okay? Kasi dito, mas malaki ngayon yung nagiging discount mo. Kanina, 30% pag reorder mo, pag Lifestyle Advisor, ngayon, nagiging 37% ka na. Tapos yung products na makukuha mo dito, mas marami kasi ang shopping credits mo dito nasa $2,300 eh. So sa value ho ng peso natin, umaabot ho yan up to 108,000 worth of products no in retail value. Pero ang maganda ho dito, tingnan nga natin kung magkano lang yung investment mo rito. Nasa 75,775. Imagine 75,000 ang value ng products na makukuha ko 108. Ibenta ko lahat ng products ko, balik yung puhunan ko, meron pa akong 30,000 plus. Imagine that, 33,000 plus. Nakakatuwa, no? Kasi dito pa lang sa package mo, you can already make profits out of it. Okay? Now, of course, ito bago lang natin to ni-launch kasi mayroong mga naghahanap naman, ano ba yung pinakamalaki yung returns natin? Ayan, ito yung tinatawag nating LADE or Lifestyle Advisor Designer Experience wherein, tingnan nyo naman yung laman nito, ha? Meron ho siyang, of course, mga health products worth 315,000. Meron pang fashion, beauty, and personal care products worth 77,000 in retail value. Tapos makakatanggap ka pa ng free gift, mga luxury designer watches na nagkakahalaga ho ng hindi bababa sa 57,750. Now, pag kinompute ho natin, lahat na makukuha nyo dito sa products natin, hindi na ho bababa yan sa 449,000. Pero tingnan nga natin, magkano kaya yung investment? Magkano lang, no? So pag diningnan ho natin, pumapalo lang ho ng 174,000. So kayo na ho mag-compute, no? Ang worth ng products na makukuha nyo, nasa almost 450,000 for only 174,000. Misking hindi ka nga negosyante, kakagatin mo yan. Bakit? Kasi nga, yung products na makukuha mo is almost more than 200% yata yung return on investment mo rito. 'Di ba? Tapos pag reorder mo, 37% discount ka. So ito yung may pinaka most profitable, most benefits no when it comes to the different packages that I shared with you. So ito lang ho yung summary, no? Pwede nyo hong i-screenshot to, makikita nyo ho yung kaibahan and advantages ng iba't ibang mga packages. So whatever package you decide on, ang mahalaga ho dyan is you get started. Whether it be you just want to earn discounts para at least magamit mo yung products at a cheaper price, or whether you are already looking into starting and building and growing, expanding your business in more than 200 countries and territories. At ang maganda ho dyan, you can start right now. So hindi mo na kailangan pa mag-set up na kung ano-ano pa, no? Ito ready-made business na, naandyan na lahat, products, infrastructure, e-mall, online shop, distribution, dropshipping. Yun yung maganda dito, yung dropshipping. So, ibig sabihin, yung customer mo na umorder sa online shop mo, let's say nasa US sila, hindi nyo na ho kailangan sabihin dun sa company na, oy, padalhan mo nga yung partner ko or yung customer ko sa US. Automatic, pag na-process ho yung order na yon, nakikita na ho yun dun sa ating head office. At yung head office natin, siya na ho yung magsiship ng product papunta dun sa customer mo. Imagine niyo yon, hindi niyo nahawakan, hindi niyo nakita yung product, hindi niyo binili yung product, and yet you are already generating income for your business. Yun yung kagandahan ng ready-made, yung may kumpleto ng infrastructure. Now, ang maganda rin ho dyan is of course, itong ating company has been doing this for the past 20 years. So, ibig sabihin, meron na ho tayong subok na sistema on how we run our business. So, hindi ho kayo kailangang magduda, matakot, or marami na rin ho tayong mga tao dito who have already benefited, not just with the products, but as well as with the business. Okay? So, ito lang ho yung dynamics ng ating business. In summary, no, ito ho yung ating ino-offer ho sa inyo. Unang-una, healthy living. So, of course, yan ho yung ating ipaprioritize, yung magandang kalusugan. Because all of these earnings, all of this income doesn't mean anything kung wala ho tayong magandang kalusugan. And besides, I would encourage you, for those of you who are new here, you should use and try the product first. Okay? Because napakahalaga ho ng credibility in this business. This is all about credibility. Sinishare ho namin sa inyo yung personal experience ho namin, yung benefits that we have experienced in using the products and doing this business. Because after all, yun yung passion, yung belief, yung conviction, diyan ho magsisimula yan. Doon ho sa inyong paniniwala. Mahirap ho mag-share ng isang bagay na hindi nyo pinaniniwalaan. So that's the first thing that you need to do. You need to become a product of your own product. Even sa fashion. Di ba? Pagka nakita nila, uy, saan galing yan? Ay, galing to sa e-mall ko. Galing to sa online shop ko. Okay? Available yan. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka mag-shopping doon. Di ba? Iba yung meron kang kredibilidad. Iba yung nakikita nila na ikaw mismo naniniwala ka sa produkto mo. Okay? Now, another thing, dynamic of the business, financial freedom. Imagine an opportunity that you can start today and eventually building your lifelong residual income. Sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, if what you are doing right now, if what you are working on right now doesn't give you passive or residual income, then you'll have to work until you die. Ayoko nun. Imaginein mo, mamamatay ka na lang, nagtatrabaho ka pa para mabuhay. So find an opportunity that you can get started right now and eventually will yield to what we call passive or residual income. And with this kind of opportunity, while helping people when it comes to their health, when it comes to helping people when it comes to their lifestyle, when it comes to people helping them when it comes to improving their life, that's how you expand and grow your business. 'Di ba? So it's about time, no, na solusyonan ho natin yung mga problemang kaperahan na yan. We have an opportunity that will help you that will allow you to achieve that, no? And then of course, personal development. Sabi mo, Rico, wala pa akong alam eh. Hindi ko pa alam kung paano magsimula ng negosyo. Wala pa akong alam sa produkto. Huwag ho kayong mag-alala. Each and every one of us started with the same thing. Na wala hong knowledge, wala hong information about all of these products. The good thing is, ngayon may idea na kayo, di ba? But we will of course train you, equip you, and teach you on how you can grow your business. Meron ho tayong mga trainings that you can attend to. Kanina, napakaganda nung ating product crossfire, di ba? So product training each and every week. Ang nagtitrain pa sa atin is of course yung ating headquarters, yung mga experts ho natin sa ating head office. And then every Wednesday dito sa Philippines, sa Asia market, naandyan din ho yung tinatawag nating launchpad. What you need to do within the next 30 days when you get started in the business. So, but may guide ho kayo talaga kayo dito. And then of course, the Saturday live training, ito ho yung deeper understanding of what your business is all about. And that's aside from the coaching and mentoring na ibibigay ho sa inyo ng inyong mga partners who invited you here. So personal development, dito nyo ma-develop yung inyong level of confidence. Dati-dati hindi ka marunong mag-share ng product. Ngayon, magkakaroon ka na ng confidence. Because what? Natututunan mo na kasi kung paano ginagawa yon. Alam nyo ho, itong negosyo natin, kopyahan business lang ho ito. Kapapanood nyo ho, uulitin nyo lang kung ano yung ginagawa ng mga taong nagtagumpay na dito, ganon din ho yung pwedeng mangyari sa inyo. Okay? Diyan ho ako nagsimula, ano, kopya-kopya lang. Pinapanood ko ho yung mga videos ng mga tao na matagal na ho dito sa business. Kaya no wonder, imagine niyo ha, itong ating presentation, paulit-ulit lang ho ito, binabago lang ho natin yung mga nanonood. Pero ang maganda ho dito, paulit-ulit mong gagawin, pagaling ka ng pagaling. 'Di ba? Ano man yung bagay na inuulit-ulit mong gawin, pabuti ng pabuti, pagaling ka ng pagaling. Etong presentation na to, mahigit 1,000 beses ko na ho itong nagawa. So kaya kumbaga, 'di ba? Ikaw ba naman, more than 1,000 times mo nang ginawa 'yan. Eh di gagaling at gagaling ka rin diyan sa pagpe-present ng opportunity at produkto mo. So yun yung tinatawag nating personal development. So all of these things are the dynamics of the business, no? So 3 to 5 years from now, envision yourself na of course, hindi lang ikaw, pati mga partners mo, gumagawa na rin ng sarili nilang business. And that's the thing that I love about this business. The more people you help grow in their business, the more your business grows. So that's the essence of this business. Tulungan mo yung mga tao na lumago yung kanilang negosyo, lalago yung negosyo mo. And I love that. I love that. No, that's the same thing na ginagawa ko natin dito with the trainings, with the information that we share. And of course, ito ho yung maganda, perfect timing. Because as I've said earlier, no, we have been in the industry for more than 20 years. Yung first 10 years natin was the building phase. Ito ho yung foundation, nilalatag natin yung pundasyon ng negosyo, yung mga produkto, and then the next 10 years was the branding phase. So nakikilala na yung mga products natin, nag-i-improve na tayo, at right now we have really built an empire in different parts of the world. At ito ho yung maganda. Kaya kayo perfect timing yun for those of you who are new here. 20 years and beyond, we are now in our momentum phase. We have grown this company into a multi-million-dollar business. Now, our vision is much bigger. We're now moving into the billion-dollar vision. Billion-dollar vision. And with this opportunity, what this means is that when we reach that billion-dollar sales, our compensation plan pays 60 to 70%. Imagine, dun sa billion-dollar sales, 60 to 70% goes back to our partners. So if you want to have a share in that $600 million, no, sa pag-achieve natin ng billion-dollar vision. So start right now. And what this means is more countries, more branding, more income, more product verticals, more millionaires. So where will you be when that happens? Okay? So again, make that decision because you're just one decision away from improving your future, improving your life. Okay? So that's it. Diyan na ho tayo natatapos sa ating short presentation. If there are any questions when it comes to the topics that I have just shared with you, please feel free to raise your hand or probably put it in your Q&A box. Put it in our Q&A box that you can see on your screen. Pwede ho kayo magtanong dito. And if you are ready to launch your business right now, you can take a look or scan this QR code. Okay? Ganyan ho kabilis kayo pwede mag-set up ng business ninyo. I-launch nyo lang ho, i-scan nyo lang itong QR code and you can start building your business and open it up to more than 200 countries and territories. Now, kung may mga questions ho kayo, pwede ho kayo magtanong dito sa ating call. And of course, ayan nakita ko meron tayong mga partners dito joining us in different parts of the world. And again, no, kung meron ho kayong mga questions, this is the best time for you to raise your questions. And on top of that, kung meron naman ho kayong mga gustong i-share, testimonials or something good that happened in your business, it is worth sharing. Sabi nga, di ba, sa Chinese proverb na sinabi ko kanina, if you receive a gift of great value, it is your obligation to share that gift many times over. And for those of you who are new here, I'll give you 3 options. Yan, pwede nyo simulan to sa 3 options. First option, sabi mo, Rico, sige, I would just want to try the product first. Well and good. Congratulations po sa inyo. You have made a decision to use the products and improve your health, improve your lifestyle. Okay? Yan ho yung maganda dyan. And then, second, sabi mo, second option, Rico, gusto kong gamitin yung product, pero syempre gusto ko ng discount. Aba, pwedeng-pwede, 'di ba? You can start with any of the packages that we have just presented you. Now, the third option, sabi mo, Rico, I see the potential in this business. I want to get started immediately right now. Now, that's the third option that you can choose. So, go back to the person na nag-invite ho sa inyo dito and choose kung ano yung package or options that you would like to start with. Option 1, use the products, see it for yourself. Option 2, get the products at discount. Or option 3, get started big with a business. Okay? And of course, with this opportunity, 3 to 5 years from now, no, we look forward na makita ho namin kayo yung mga pagbabago ho sa buhay ho ninyo. Okay? Now, again, ang maganda ho dito, you will not do it alone. We have team that will help you grow your business. No? So we will guide you each and every step of the way. We have trainings, we have coachings, we have mentorships so that you can, sabi nga, you can earn while you learn. Okay? All right, so tapos na po tayo. Any questions po ba sa atin hong mga tagapakinig ngayong call na ito? Actually, we have a message here. Sabi ni Ma'am Liz, pwede po ba kunin ang Zoom recorded ni? Of course, of course, of course. We're gonna have to upload it dun sa aking YouTube channel. And then once it's uploaded, I can post it no dito sa ating mga GCs. Ayan. And I can personally send it to you, Ma'am Liz. Thank you so much for your message. Any other people here who wanted to share something? Ang gaganda ko ng mga testimonials na narinig namin the other day, no, nung nag-meeting kami ng ating Philippine team. Naku, ang dami ho, ang daming mga testimonials. Na andyan yung mga diabetics, na andyan yung mga may mga pains, yung mga may mga sugat. Ay, naku, nakakatuwa ho. Every time I hear these testimonials, talagang nakaka-bless ko sa totoo lang, no? Lalo kang ginaganahan i-share yung mga products kasi alam mo na yung ginagawa mo has significance. It's not just you, trying to build a business, trying to make money, but it's a good thing that whenever you share something, nagkakaroon ho ng benepisyo, no? Dun ho sa mga tao. Okay? All right, all right, all right. Ayan. So ano po ang YouTube nyo? I'll share it with you. I'll share it with you. Sadly, no? Nagbago kasi yung email ko before. I actually have a YouTube channel particularly na naka-devote sa Opulence Global. Kaya lang with the changes sa email nabura ho, hindi ko na ma-access yung dati kong YouTube channel. But anyway, I'll share with you the new one so that at least you can also browse it. And of course, yung mga new materials that I will be uploading, ilalagay ho natin dyan. Especially yung mga specialized training that we do, no, particularly when it comes to our products and our business. Okay? Thank you so much, Ma'am Liz, for your comments. And again, no, it's Tuesday. And by the way, before we wrap up this call, let me just end this recording. By the way, before we end this call, I would just like to encourage each and everyone, especially if you're new here, if you have any questions, please get back to the person who invited you here. And of course, we look forward to partnering with you. We look forward to guiding you and teaching you on how you can achieve whatever it is that you want to accomplish, no, with this opportunity that we have just shown you. Okay? All right. So let me just end this recording and